Okay, so this is Thomas, programming with Thomas, and this is the intro. So I will explain you about this course, about not about JavaScript in this 5 minutes lesson, but on the tool that we will use in this lesson, which called Plunker. You can see a link in the video description. And we are programming with Thomas, JavaScript for beginners, and lesson 1 is Plunker intro. So what is an online JavaScript editor? Well, when we want to write JavaScript code, we can use it in many tools. So there is an IDE which gives you a complete solution to write code. There is a code editor which, for example, Atom, Sublime, and others, which you install on your computer. And the easiest one, and as we are JavaScript for beginners and we will just cover the basic of JavaScript, I don't want you to install anything. I will explain you everything about JavaScript from the basics, and you will see all those examples in the links in the YouTube video and in the website. And let's start. So what is an online JavaScript editor? Well, actually it's this one. You see it's on your browser. You don't need to install anything. You just enter to Plunker and immediately you are inside. If you want, we can do that from the beginning. So let's just copy that and go to a new tab and just paste it, and you will press on new, and there is the default, which is the JavaScript, Angular, React, AngularJS, and those two are, well, going to disappear. This one already. And React, well, it's something that is not relevant now. And React is very relevant, but it's for advanced user. We will discuss it later. So you will press on JavaScript default, and you will see this will appear in your browser. You don't need to install anything. It's great. Let's start from the beginning. There is an HTML file, JavaScript file, and CSS file. As we are not discussing any CSS, we will delete it. I will explain you in 1 minute the structure. Well, there is the declaration of the HTML. This is not an HTML lesson. I will record an HTML lesson. So this is the HTML. So this is the declaration. Doc type HTML, and former version of HTML, if you will open like an old website, it will look different, but this is the new definition of HTML. There is a head. In the head you will link to other files in your project, and there is a CSS file and JavaScript file. We will discuss it later. You can also write JavaScript inside the body and the JavaScript inside the head, and the most convenient way is writing it in external file like we're seeing here. So let's delete, make everything simple. This is programming, so if we don't use it, let's just delete it. So we are not, this is not a CSS lesson, so let's just delete it. And if we deleted that one, we can also delete the CSS file. So are you sure you would like to delete lib style CSS? Yes, I'm pretty sure. I'm totally sure. And you see that it's sitting under lib, which is a directory in project. So lib and JavaScript. If this file wasn't in lib, then it was in, we wouldn't use lib, and we just write script.js if it was in the same directory. But it's better to put all the to separate between the HTML, the CSS. If you have like a big website, in small project, it's okay to put everything in the lib, which means library. So this is really simple, and you can, if we want to preview the code here, which actually there is no code because you see it's simple. So we will just see the h1, which is main header one. Let's preview it. And hello Plunker, which is the h1. Now you see that this is green. So every time you will change something, like let's add something simple, you see that it's connected, it's running simultaneously. So we don't want that to happen. So let's press on preview again, and now we can change everything here and it will not appear and run until we will press the preview again. So let's write our first JavaScript code. So it will be, we can go to the example. As we said, delete the style CSS, delete the reference for the file, press preview, nothing changed. Let's go to the JavaScript code. So I already write something really simple, which is document. I will explain you later, but every time you're learning on a new programming language, the first thing that you will write is hello world. I learned the basics when I was 12 or 11. Basic is really old programming language for children, but this was my first programming language to learn. I recommend to start with JavaScript today. JavaScript is great for basic and students that just want to learn what is programming, and I will explain later why. And let's run this code. So we press preview, and you see here the hello world. And now all this is the HTML that I wrote before. So we answered the question, what is an online JavaScript editor? Why do we need it? Because it's really simple. You don't need to install anything on your computer. You can use the web browser. And how to use Plunker. Also, we learned that. If you want to see only the hello world, you will just delete it, or in HTML you can use this one and just put it out. And as you see, this isn't appearing anymore. And we just see the hello world. If we want to change something, you see the preview is green, so everything that I will change will just together. So hello, oh no, have a great day. And because it's green, it's compiled automatically. use preview like I explained you. It's same. This is what you should do. I will never record more than 10 minutes because I think it's too long. So take a recess and we will return in the next lesson and learn more about JavaScript.